In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, He who is the Master of Death and also the Master of Life. Dear viewers, for you, I hope you will be safe and sound. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, that name is Teacher Drasa Faria. It's very favorite channel for you. I have launched this channel for you. I hope you will take some time to watch my all videos because these videos are very important for you. If you want to get knowledge about English and other subjects day by day, I hope you will like, share and subscribe my all videos. And please press the bell icon buttons to watch my all videos. Thanks. Today my topic is past perfect tense. मैं खाना खा चुका था. क्या मैं खाना खा चुका था? मैं खाना नहीं खा चुका था. क्या मैं खाना नहीं खा चुका था? मैं क्यों खाना खा चुका था? I want to translate these sentences into English. मैं खाना खा चुका था. I had. Third form of verb we will use there. I have eaten meat. क्या मैं खाना खा चुका था? We will use the helping verb at the start of the sentence. Had I eaten meat? We will use the symbol of the interrogative in the last of the sentence. मैं खाना नहीं खा चुका था. I had not eaten meal. क्या मैं खाना नहीं खा चुका था? Had I not eaten meal. This is the two type of sentence, interrogative and negative. मैं क्यों खाना खा चुका था? We will use why here. Why had I eaten meal? So we will use symbol of the interrogative in the last of the sentence. मैं क्या खाना खा चुका था? खा चुका था. We will use what here. What had I eaten meal? We will use symbol of the interrogative in the last of the sentence. Dear viewers, it's a very informative channel for you. I hope you will take interest. Understand, without interest you can't do something in your life. You will take interest, you will watch my all videos, then you will get much knowledge about English. If you want to make progress in your life, if you want to be a CSS officer, PCSS officer, Issb officer in Pakistan, if you want to make your future bright, so please like, share and subscribe my all videos because these videos and this channel is very important for you. But that is the condition that you will watch my all videos day by day. And please watch my all videos up to the end. Then you will get much knowledge about English and other subjects. And in the final, I want to request you, please pray for the people of the Palestine, Makuda, Kashmir and Gaza because they are our brothers and sisters. We are all Muslims. We are like our brothers and sisters. Understand? They are in crisis now. They are in troubles now. They are in griefs now. They are in sorrows now. So I hope you will pray for them after Tahajjud prayers. And please pray for the Slavs Afghan of the all over the world, especially Slavs Afghan of the Pakistan because they are in crisis. They are in troubles. And their houses have in water. Their everything is in water. So it is our moral duty because we are Muslims. It is our moral duty to pray for the people of the Palestine, Makuda, Kashmir and Gaza and all the Muslims of the world, and especially Slavs Afghan of the Pakistan. And God will one day relieve them, especially Palestine, Makuda, Kashmir and the Gaza's people and the Slavs Afghan. Inshallah, thanks.